Hi there everyone, today I got a Hisense phone, so most probably on the all Android phones it should work. The screen the settings are out. You cannot select something unless you press double tap on it, so we're going to finish that. Just go to settings, double tap on settings and open clock. Just go to the settings. I'm just gonna go into the settings quickly. Just slide down from top, open the settings from here. If you are struggling going through to the menu, go to accessibility, go to TalkBack, switch off, so once you are here by TalkBack, switch it off. It will give you this option. Tapping OK will stop TalkBack. Press that OK, and you can see it's gone back to normal. Single touch, and no more doing that nonsense of the screen going up and down. So this is how you fix any Android phone. If you are struggling to go to the settings, you can check in the top list. You will find the settings. Currently this is a Hisense phone, so that's how you stop it from double tap or talk. Please subscribe my channel. I need watch time also. Please give me subscription and watch time. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.